Welcome to the AI Industry Report, the daily brief built by AI, about AI, from the Agentic Marketing Academy. It's Wednesday, July 15th. 3 stories, and the update that just put a web-searching AI assistant into the hands of hundreds of millions of iPhone owners. Let's go. Okay, so this one's actually big, and it's not a Google story for once. Apple just opened its rebuilt Siri to the public. Not developers, not a waitlist, the actual public beta as of July 13th. And here's why you should care even if you don't own an iPhone. The old Siri set timers and read texts. This new Siri has what Apple calls broad world knowledge, meaning when you ask it something, it goes out and searches the web for a real, current answer, the same way ChatGPT or Perplexity would. That's confirmed straight from Apple's own newsroom page, and TechCrunch covered the public rollout on July 14th. So think about what that means. Google reads your website. ChatGPT reads your website. Perplexity reads your website. Now, Siri does too, and it's sitting on the home screen of basically every iPhone in America. If your business information online is thin, outdated, or confusing, you now have a fourth major assistant that might just skip right past you. My honest advice, go grab the iOS 27 beta, or ask your kid or your niece, who definitely already has it, and type in your own business name. See what it says. Switching gears, but staying with the theme of who's reading your content now. If you sell physical products online, pay attention here. Google is testing a new report inside Merchant Center. It's called AI Performance Insights. And get this, it's basically the first real window sellers have ever gotten into how their products show up inside AI mode and AI overviews. It gives you a share of voice score against similar brands. It shows you where shoppers are dropping off between discovering your product and actually buying it. And it even tells you the specific words people are searching for, like easy setup or battery life, phrases you'd never think to check for otherwise. Right now it's in beta with a small group of US accounts, expanding to Canada, the UK, Australia, and a few other countries soon. Why it matters, honestly, is pretty simple. Up until now, if you sold through Google Shopping, you were flying blind on AI visibility. This is the first time Google has said, here are actual numbers. If you sell through Google Shopping, go check your Merchant Center Analytics tab under Products Today and see if it's landed on your account yet. Last thing before we go, and it's a fast one. OpenAI snuck a couple of new columns into ChatGPT Ads Manager this week. No announcement, no fanfare, somebody just noticed them. They're called Attributed Sales Value and Sales ROAS, that's the ad industry's shorthand for return on ad spend. And paired with a new product-level reporting view, they finally let advertisers see actual revenue tied to their ChatGPT ad spend, not just clicks and impressions. If you've been running ChatGPT ads and crossing your fingers about whether they're working, this is your answer. Worth noting, this one's currently only confirmed by a single outlet, so treat the exact rollout timing loosely until OpenAI says something official. So here's your one thing for today. If you have any way to get your hands on an iPhone running the iOS 27 beta, search your own business name in the new Siri and see what comes back. That's the fastest gut check you'll get all week. That's it for today's report. You can find the transcript and every source linked at AIindustryreport.com. If you want your business to be the one AI recommends, the free checklist at thelevelingwindow.com is where everybody starts. And full transparency, because we practice what we teach. This show is researched, written, and voiced by AI, built by our founder. We teach businesses what AI can do. This show is the proof. Thank you for listening.